Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage in case of simple machines is basically defined as the ratio of the load to be lifted upon the effort to be applied. I'll write it over here. So it is defined as the ratio of the amount of load to be lifted to the effort to be applied. Then it is denoted by MA, and the formula is given by load upon effort . Load is denoted by capital W, whereas effort is capital P. And since the amount of load to be lifted in a simple machine is considerably greater than the effort which we are applying, so it means that the mechanical advantage would always be greater than 1, as load is always greater than effort, and in case of simple machines the answer would be greater than 1. So basically we can see that whenever we have a simple machine, in that case the amount of load is also called as the amount of resistance which we have to overcome, whereas effort is the quantity which we are applying, so it is considerably less, and hence the mechanical advantage would always be greater than 1. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.